National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren, southern Montgomery, southern Greene, northern Clinton, northeastern Butler, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:21 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Springboro, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Oakwood, Kettering, Bellbrook, Waynesville, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Wilberforce, Wilmington, Jamestown. In addition, Pekin, Woodbourne High Park, Gentown, State Route 48 at State Route 73, Centerville, Lytle, Oregonia, Fort Ancient, Corwin, Mount Holly, Roxana, Cedar Creek State Park, Spring Valley, State Route 350 at U.S. Route 22 and Harveysburg are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 between mile markers 31 and 59, Interstate 75 between mile markers 28 and 51. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.